As we follow the road ahead, we're then going to get to a roundabout. The sign on the left is telling you it's a fast moving roundabout. We're going to take the fourth exit, which is a right turn down by the Hard Acres and House of Coffee. Good. That's fine. So one exit done. Nice and gentle with your steering, okay? Two done. Steer a little bit to my side. That's it. And this is the exit you want. And now make sure your speed's adjusted for the road that you're on. You may need to stop for this lady, okay? Now carry on if you think it's safe. Then stop. That's fine. Otherwise you'll get too close to the lorry. So what you're doing there is fine, you're slowing down because he's coming up. I understand that's completely fine. And now go. So in terms of stopping, that was correct what you did, but try and stop a bit earlier so it's clearer what you're intending to do. Continue following the road ahead. Take the next road on the right, this one here. As you're going into the road, make sure you look to the top of the road that you're going into, okay? That's fine. And then if there's anyone coming down from the top of the road, you'll need to stop because the obstructions are on your side. Looks good, let's go, let's move across. Because that red car is quite far, okay? Keep this speed, so if you do see him and he doesn't see you, you've got time to respond. There you are, perfect.